Alright, here we have a really nice looking Kenmore sewing machine. And what I especially find is the roses on the case, as you can see. Really nice. Here it says Kenmore. It has a few stains on it, needs to be cleaned. Then we have the sewing machine itself here. Nice looking. Here's the set, like you can set how it works and all that. Lever at the back here, you pull that up. Comes up and on. Here's the back. Here's the plug-in on and off switch. This is the speed of the stitching like this, and this is just to roll the thing. You can see here, if you need to rewind some thread, you can do that with this, and click this in and it comes out right out. And yeah, that's the focus. Sorry for this, I'm trying to focus my camera. Okay. As you can see, it's a really nice system. It has the special stitches feature. You turn this. So there's the 1, 2, 3, 4. I think, I'm not sure. This is the width of like how far the stitches are apart. The reverse, and here we have the length. So there are a few good. There's a nice compartment. Open this up and I can get it open. There we go. There's some stuff in here. This machine has a special system. Like this part, take the box out. Like some machines they have it built in, and some machines have this. Oops. And this is where your bottom. This is the bottom table, so your thread goes in here, and you just place it in it. I know it's like kind of hard to do with one hand, but place it in like that. So. Yeah, the box is like a nice compartment and all that. So I don't know much about sewing machines. I just know that I don't know what that switch is for. Now I come to think of it. Let me continue. I will show you later more about this. But let me continue. Let me keep the compartment down. There's a slight problem with this machine, and that is when you turn it on. Usually you set the settings like this, and you set the stitch kinds, and you move it around a bit, and something. The length, you set the settings, and what you do then is you place your thing, and you hit go up, down, and then you start. You hold it, and what in this case is nothing happens. Now I'm trying. No, it doesn't do anything. Sometimes when you hit reverse it grabs. So let me do. But now as you can see, nothing is happening. You hear a bit of motor difference, the sound when you turn this. Listen to that. So I don't know what the problem is with it. I just get it wedged under there so there's an even tone and we can play with the knobs a little. So let me hold on. So I get it wedged under there. I know nothing about sewing machines, so I'm just playing a little with it. Maybe there's a secret button to get it going again, that would be fun. No. I have to get it fixed eventually. Okay. So I don't know what the problem is. I will investigate today. So, put the box back in. Overall, nice looking machine, but not working. Not much worth. So, well, anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.